Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to use Viber on multiple devices. First of all, open Viber on your main device. For instance, if you're using Viber on your phone, you can open Viber on your phone. Now what you have to do is then open your web browser. For instance, if you're using a laptop, you can open web browser on your laptop, which is your second device. Now, if you're using Windows laptop, simply select download for Windows. You have to type in download Viber on Google and it will make you land on this page. Now, once you have downloaded the Windows version of Viber, what you have to do is you will be able to see this kind of QR code. Now you have to open your phone's camera, scan the QR code. Once you have scanned, as you can see, I'm now logged in with this exact same account on my other device. That's simply how you can use Viber on multiple devices. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button and also don't forget to subscribe.